Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the gentleman I was trying to help told me that he needs to cut out the orange letters too. So we have a red hairline around the white, so we're just going to grab it and move it over. And then we're going to move over the white. And you see the hairline around the white. We'll also need to move that over so it'll cut out the white. But if you want to cut out the orange, all you have to do is create a rectangle around it, just like we did previous. We're going to go ahead and use green, and don't forget to nudge it out of the way and then nudge that. And by nudge, I'm using my arrow keys on the keyboard. I've set my nudge factor at 9 inches. With nothing selected, you can see it's 9 inches. Now I'm going to left click. I'm going to right click in black. So my outline will be black now. I'm going to grab this, go up to Object, break the curve apart, just to get rid of the box. Now we have a black, make sure it's a hairline. You want it red, but just for the video, I'm going to make it black. Then grab everything and nudge it up. So now you have a cut line around the orange. And if you take all this and nudge it back with the left arrow key, now you have two cut lines. I don't know, much about vinyl cutting. I don't know if this is a two-step process where you would maybe cut that out and then put the other vinyl on top of it. If that's the case, I would make this entire thing white with the Smart Fill tool, set it on white, and fill in that entire space with white. And then printing it, I'm guessing that's all going to be one piece. So we're going to nudge that out of the way. Of course, it's white, so you can't really see it. But if we move our yellow box down and then take our cut line and move it down, now you have, well, that didn't really work because it's cut line around the. Oh, let's see, do this. Let's nudge it over to the right, and then just take the Smart Fill tool and fill all this in with white. Let's just get rid of this. I'm not very educated on it. I'm deleting that. So now let's nudge that over. And of course, these will be cut lines on the inside. And you can see the cut line for the O is behind. So we're going to go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and now you got that cut line around the white, and that'll cut out. So this way, if you did it this way, we actually need to fill in this with white. If you do it this way, and I'm going to group all that together, Control G, I'm going to nudge up and over and go up to Object just so you look what it looks like to the back of the page. Now you have a white border. Let's move our yellow box trick up. It's not really a trick, but well, what happened to my white? It's there. Let's just do a little yellow box. Put it in order, back a page. There it is. The white's there. I needed to move that yellow to the back of the page also. So now you have two cut lines around the white and the yellow, or around the white and the orange. But if you take that orange away, you'll have this all in one piece, and you actually probably need to get rid of these other cut lines so you can right click, no outline, because you don't want that to cut out. And you want that to cut out. So that's what that's going to look like. So that's going to all be one piece, and then you would take the orange and just, see, I moved it and I didn't nudge it. But I get it back pretty close. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.